If you're considering KrispCall for your business communication needs, here are 7 things you need to know before buying. Trust me, there's a lot to consider, especially with how competitive the market is for business phone systems. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether KrispCall is the right fit for your company. First up, KrispCall offers a virtual phone system that integrates seamlessly with your business tools. This means you can centralize your communication, which is a huge time saver. Compared to competitors like Grasshopper or RingCentral, KrispCall is known for its simplicity. It doesn't come with the unnecessary complexity that can overwhelm smaller businesses. If you're looking for something easy to set up and navigate, KrispCall might be a great choice. Next thing to consider, pricing. KrispCall is competitive in terms of value for money. They offer affordable plans, especially when you look at features like call forwarding, VoIP, and virtual numbers. You'll find plans that scale with your business, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a small team. When compared to more expensive solutions like Zoom or X8, KrispCall offers a more budget-friendly option while still providing the functionality most businesses need. The third thing you should know is how KrispCall handles international calling. Unlike some providers that charge a premium for international calls, KrispCall's global rates are very reasonable. If your business requires frequent international communication, this can save you a lot of money in the long run. Many competitors in this space, like VoIP.ms, tend to add extra fees for international services, which can make KrispCall stand out in terms of affordability. Now, let's talk about KrispCall's mobile app. One of the standout features here is how well it works on mobile devices. Whether you're traveling or managing a remote team, you can stay connected anywhere with KrispCall's mobile app. It's just as reliable as the desktop version. If you've used apps from competitors like Google Voice, you'll know how frustrating it can be when the mobile experience doesn't measure up. KrispCall solves this with a seamless experience across devices. The fifth thing to consider is call management. KrispCall offers advanced features like call forwarding, voicemail, and even call recording. These features are often bundled into higher price packages with competitors, but KrispCall includes them at a lower tier. This is a huge benefit for smaller businesses that need to track communications but can't afford the premium prices of other services. Next, KrispCall integrates with your CRM and other software tools. This is particularly useful if you're using tools like HubSpot or Salesforce. By integrating your communication channels, KrispCall helps streamline workflows, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. It's a feature that's critical in today's fast-paced business world, and it's something you won't always find in other, less customizable systems. The seventh thing to mention is customer support. KrispCall offers 24/7 customer service through chat, email, and even phone support. This level of service is crucial when you're relying on a business phone system to keep things running smoothly. While some competitors like Ooma or Nextiva have good reputations, KrispCall excels in providing timely and helpful responses to any issues you may encounter. You won't be left waiting for days to get a resolution. So, should you buy KrispCall? If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and feature-rich solution for your business communication needs, then yes, KrispCall could be the right choice. You can try the software completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. By doing so, you'll get access to exclusive benefits, so don't miss out. If you found this video helpful and want to give KrispCall a try, click that link and start your free trial today. You'll see firsthand how it stacks up against the competition.